Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James, and this is Z32 Workshop. Yes, once again, it's been a few, almost a month or so since I put up a video, and even this video necessarily isn't on the Z, because it's right behind me, as you can see. The big thing that's going on right now is the simple fact that I got a rear wheel bearing going bad on the passenger side. So I have already bought parts. I did not buy OEM on this one. I actually went to Rock Auto. I am being somewhat, not fictitious, fiduciary responsible. Basically, the parts from Z1 or Concept Z, which will slide across the screen now, if I know how to post edit, are basically like 270, 260 something a piece. And you can find a rear wheel bearing on Rock Auto for as little as 30 bucks to 80 bucks. I bought an $80 one just because, well, simply for the fact that I feel that that's probably the appropriate price. But as everyone knows on this channel, I have taken them off before on the twin turbo car. So the process is very, very, very similar to that on an NA. There is literally no difference other than the fact that the bolts on the axle, instead of being 6 or 5 or something like that, if I can remember right, or it might be just still 5. So they're exactly the same. The big difference is in the hubs, and I am going to reuse the hubs I have, not buy new ones, because, well, they're just hubs. You just need to press them out. Well, that's the thing. I need to press them out. You know what I don't own until today was a hydraulic press. For years now, I've been bumming off people that I know, friends, going to a shop, and that's such a hassle for them and me. I mean, I like seeing my friends, but, you know, you just use them for their tools. You gotta sit around, have a few beers, talk to them, watch, shoots like a couple hours, which should literally take you minutes to go do. So, that being said, I picked up, I will not show you all the boxes, just the big one here is I've got this, which is Harbor Freight's 12-ton hydraulic press that I'm going to be putting together tonight. Because I need to get it together so I can fix this rear wheel bearing. I did buy both of them. I'm going to have one as a spare because I'm not going to replace it until it goes bad. Everyone's like, oh no, it's going bad, it's terrible. I'm like, the car's 30 years old. I autocrossed a lot on bigger tires. I'm going to imagine I'm going to start burning stuff up at a faster rate, but it's still 30 years old. A wheel bearing going out is not surprising. So it's almost a wear item at this point. So next up will be, I will be doing time warp of me just assembling this because I really don't think you guys need to watch me step by step. There are plenty of other Harbor Freight videos of doing that. And heck, there's probably a few of other people just putting them together. So that being said, 3, 2, 1. Woo, woo, woo. slow down, everybody. And here it is, guys. Here's the Harbor Freight 12-ton press. Took me about, I don't know, 40 minutes put together. And that was just me hunting around for his tools and stuff. Really simple, is all I'm going to say. And now that I have this, I will be able to do, use this to press down. I am going to do a couple modifications, guys, always say to do. First one being, I'm going to put this on casters for one, so this can roll around my garage a lot easier. Hopefully sell that. Let's do that again. Put that on casters, and then also, oh boy, you're not doing real well either. I'm going to adjust the camera angle, guys. A spot to put this somewhere. I might just put a magnet so it holds it together, pushes it together. So it's a pretty easy process. It feels kind of wobbly, and that's just because these don't pinch real tight up here to make that stable, but everything down here is tight, everything on top's tight. The bottle's even. The best part about this version, because there's a couple versions of the 12-ton jack. Sorry about the noise across the street, guys. Got a restaurant that's being a little loud. Basically, this model is a little bit different than the other 12-ton model they sell. This one actually bolts the bottle jack down and has holes for casters. Well, whether the holes are meant for casters or not, that's what I'm going to use it for. But bolting the bottle jack down is really nice. Because watch when I do this, undo it. Well, it should loose it. And it does. The other thing I'm going to do is put a different type of nut there on the end, so this will be easier. So there's about 3 things I want to do this to make this life a lot easier. So this is just step 1, so I can get the car apart to go do stuff. And I apologize to the sound, guys. Kidding me? We'll hold out. I'll cut it. Alright, off time work, guys. Sorry about that. Restaurant across the street's being kind of loud. So, yeah, this is just me getting together a Harbor Freight 12-ton hydraulic press that I've been needing for about a decade. Pretty cheap. I got it for like 160, 170 bucks. And it's going to get a few minor upgrades, like I said. Casters, knobs release, and a spot to put this. So it's a little easier, and then maybe thinking about something so these don't slide off super easy for the press portion of holding stuff. Other than that, it's kind of short, but you know what? For what I'm trying to do and what you guys are doing at home, this would work perfectly fine for suspension stuff on a 300ZX. So once again, my name is Z James. This is a Z32 Workshop. Please like and subscribe. A little bit helps. I know I haven't been doing this updated regularly. I just having some family issues around the house and family instead. So anyway, take care, everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye.